Alright people, this is our crew. We're heading over to Born Free 15 right now. Oh shit.
12 seconds later.
Oh, what happened up there?
Three hours later.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time cards.
So the heat right now doesn't feel too bad if you're wearing no sleeves like me and you wear a t-shirt or something. Woo! It's hot, but it's not unbearable. Look at this. It is packed. Sweetness. We're here, boys. We are here. Yeah, we made it. That was good riding, man. Good watching out. We're here, people. We are here. Look at this setup. Whoa, look at this one. I like. Ooh. Sweetness.
Rather do that.
Born free. Saturday.
Welcome.
Wait, so you're back there? Or you're like right there? Oh, okay. Damn, this is freaking fast. Where their friends are making or something. Like, you can't even get that.
Even like a lot of the guys, like a lot of these manufacturers. You get a bottle or what?
Oh yeah. Oh.
Bottle.
Bottle of whiskey. Oh shit. Yeah, you guys are hardcore.
They got their own bar. They're doing sauces.
Only do beer.
Shock stock.
These are all like the invited builders bikes.
Oh yeah.
This whole row.
All the death today or tomorrow to see that. It's amazing.
Oh, look at this little mini.
So we're also giving away a motorcycle today and 2 tomorrow.
Yeah. Let's see what you got.
Yeah.
What you got? Same thing? Oh no, yeah. I like that design. It's good.
Oh, that's cool. Wait.
I like where my what'd you get? Oh, that's nice. I like that.
Oh, tomorrow if you're looking to get a zip.
Stay in the shade. Oh yeah, let's get 805.
What up, Lance? Go.
Will. SP Concepts.
Oh yeah. Yes, like they're treating like a man. Next one is out.
1, 2, 4.
Nice.
Cheers. Whoa, to the top.
Chill little show. Oh, look at all this stuff.
I don't know what he's trying to get at.
Luna. All the mini bikes like those. Nice. Very cool. Oh, special born trim losing machines.
Anything else for you?
Yeah, I like that one. That's really sweet, yeah. Yeah, skateboard? I like that.
Need a bag?
Okay, I'm sorry. Yeah, watch out for your kids. I'm flying skateboards. Where's my Steve Cavallaro fans? Make some noise. Oh my
still going strong. The Caballero shoe, half count. And shoe has been over the longest running pro shoe in skateboarding. Over 30 years. Make some noise for Caballero. He's still skating strong. His band, your band, is getting ready to tour all over the world. Heading for Europe next week. Make some noise for Kevy.
We're tired. We're burnt. And we'll come back here again tomorrow. So stay tuned for that.
Born free.
Born free, motherfucker. To ride that. Hot.